My name's Alyssa Casey, kind of, and today we're taking an intimate look at RICKS RC Stadium Truck. Many of you probably know Rick Tebbs from RICKS RC because of his wheels. Look at this nifty flyer. He offered three-piece centerline style, NASCAR style, drag style, and Indy style, which were very popular back in the day but are even more desirable now. These are the wheels that Seas produced and Rick offered to sell under the RICKS RC brand name, but because they were one piece, it was really hard to mount the tire, and because of that, Rick decided to try and make his own wheels. Before Rick produced and designed his wheels, Seas did produce another prototype, this one, which was never released to the public, mostly because it was a little heavy and the weird lug pattern, but that's pretty cool. I am proud to present what we are all here and excited to see, RICKS RC Stadium Truck. Since the beginning, Rick always had the idea to build this truck. He partnered with Rancho Suspension's head of R&D, Dave Wiley. Interestingly enough, he was introduced to Dave by the world-famous Chip Foose. Now let's take a look under the hood. The truck features billet aluminum control arms, 4 shocks, and an incredibly unique steering system. Look at the incredible details of the frame and cage design. No expenses were spared, and a good example of this is the steering servo, which is a super powerful servo built for the robot industry and at a cost of over $400 back in 1990. The rear of the truck has 4 more shocks, billet trailing arms, and a Skellinger winter-style rear end. And of course, this truck wouldn't be complete without a set of RICKS RC wheels held on by Skellinger knockoffs. In closing, it took about 6 months and $25,000 to make this prototype. And at the end of all that, it never made it out to the public. And that's mostly because of a declining market and the scarcity of Skellinger rear ends, mostly because Skellinger was halting production. Had it made it to the public, this was the marketing flyer they were going to use. The truck was set to sell with a larger 4.5 horsepower 52cc engine in the production model with a consumer price of nearly $6,000. My name is Alyssa Casey, kind of, and we really hope you enjoy this special reboot episode to take a look at RICKS RC Stadium Truck. And we hope to see you around the bend.